several donors to see if we can solve this problem. They are also trying to see with the Americans
So it impacts the food and nutrition, it impacts water, the water we have to truck into the communities, it impacts our capacity to buy the gas for them to cook.
Don't need to explain.
And the shelter.
I'm
It's
fully
just
aware of
awful.
that. Fully aware. And this is something we need to
and listening to our voice. So she's talking about the camp security and safety. She's highlighting about the girls' security. So the girls who have been living here in camps are not feeling secure at all. Especially at night, they feel insecure. And even if they want to pursue higher education or profile education, so they can pursue the education from this camp as a result of security concerns.
And of course, women and girls are
Yes.
more in danger
Yes.
than men. Yes.
Anyone else who would like to share? Yeah.
First of all, I want to deeply gratitude for you for coming here and to express something about the Rohingya in our Rohingya language. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ara Barantu era chide ashtoodar rogi ashu junta ara hono disanno yo ar ara hono momika ara disaro dengle momika है अल्लाह वाली रे आरा देशन मध्ये जोरपी आरा देशन मा आरा से होपले आरा जाके साय
Okay, it has his name is